I will demonstrate in this video how to restore your delete button so you may erase all your files with a single button tap. No need to simultaneously press the command and delete buttons. Now let's get going. To get started, launch your browser and type in press button. After downloading, install the version 1.4. It will request for a permission. Navigate to the settings menu, then select security and privacy, and then select the accessibility option. Next, activate that option. Reopen the press button app and then select yes for every option. You are now ready to go. With the simple use of delete key alone, you may now quickly erase all your files. Let's give it a try.